Hey everyone, welcome to Cook Your Heart Out. Today I am going to be making a brunch pizza in my most loved and used appliance in my kitchen, the Wolstead Pro Pizza Oven. So let's get cooking. Hit pause now and take a screenshot to save all your ingredients. You will need scales in a bowl, a cutting board and a pizza cutter, a pizza dough docker, a rolling pin, a sifter and an electric pizza oven. Start by placing your dough on a lightly floured surface, sprinkling some flour on the top and rolling it out. Using the pizza dough docker, roll it across the surface of the dough. This will keep it flat and without unwelcome bubbles underneath. Set your pizza oven to 350 degrees Celsius and set the timer for 10 minutes to preheat. Once your pizza oven is heated up, add your pizza dough to the ceramic stone. Use a spoon to spread half of the passata onto the base. Then top with caramelized onions, spinach and pancetta. Crack one egg directly onto the pizza, then top with half the mozzarella and some cherry tomatoes. Drizzle with olive oil and close the lid and cook for 4 minutes. There you go, here we have it. A brunch pizza in the Wolstead Pro Pizza Oven. So we'll just garnish it with a little bit of rocket. And a little bit of basil. Give it a bit of a slice and a little try. So crispy on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's perfectly cooked. So why don't you guys give it a try at home and I'll see you soon.